Okay, altitude to hypotenuse, always on the Regents exam. Pretty easy thing to get right if you know the two rules. Okay, if you know the two rules. If you don't know the two rules, it's harder to do. All right, but here's the two rules. Piece 1 over altitude, altitude over piece 2. Okay, and remember that those are the pieces of the hypotenuse. And that entire hypotenuse over leg and leg over piece of hypotenuse. Remember that the piece of the hypotenuse has to be touching to or adjacent to the leg, and that these two legs, that's the same leg. Okay, I got the picture up here you can look at with all the names and stuff on there. A lot of times these are multi-step problems. A lot of times they include Pythagorean theorem. And then sometimes you could do a sine, cosine, tangent problem to avoid doing this. Not all the time, all right? But sometimes you can do a sine, cosine, tangent problem and figure out a missing side or angle and then do a second sine, cosine, tangent problem. Usually they're harder to go through. Some people are really good at trig and it makes it easier. All right, but these are guaranteed questions. They're a lot of times they're two steps, which means you have to really pay attention to what you're doing. But again, it's one of these things that we can predict is going to be on there. So if we get really good at it, all right, it's another question that we're able to easily get right.